In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change DoorDash password. This walkthrough is for when you already know your current password, and it works whether you're using the mobile app or the website. I'll keep it clear and simple, and I'll also share a few quick tips to help you avoid common mistakes. Start by opening the DoorDash app on your phone or visiting DoorDash.com in your browser. Make sure you're on a reliable internet connection so nothing times out mid-change. If you're on the website, it's a good idea to use a trusted browser that you keep up to date for the best security and compatibility. Next, sign in to your DoorDash account. Use the same login details you normally do. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. If not, enter your email and current password carefully. Small typos, like an extra space or a misplaced capital letter, are common, so take a second to double check before you continue. Once you're logged in, head to your account section. On the app, look for the profile icon or the tab labeled Account at the bottom or top of the screen, depending on your device. On the website, your account menu is typically at the top right corner. Click or tap that to open your account options. From there, go to Settings or Account Settings. DoorDash occasionally updates its layout, so the exact wording can vary, but you're looking for the place where your personal details and security options live. Inside that menu, find the option labeled Password or Change Password. Select it to open the password update screen. Now, enter your current password first. This confirms it's really you making the change. Then type your new password. For a strong, memorable password, aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. And avoid anything easy to guess, like simple sequences or reused passwords from other sites. If your device offers a show or hide toggle, consider revealing the characters briefly to check for typos, then hide it again for privacy. When you're confident everything looks right, tap Save or Update. Give it a moment to process. You should see a confirmation that your password has been changed. That update applies to all your devices, so the next time you use DoorDash elsewhere, you may be asked to sign in with the new password. That's all there is to it. Open DoorDash, log in, go to Account, then Settings or Account Settings, choose Password or Change Password, enter your current and new password, and save. Keep your new password secure and you'll be set. Thanks for watching and take care.